Let's start by preheating our oven to 425 degrees. Okay, now let's mix our ingredients together, starting with our egg, 2 eggs. Now let's add our cinnamon, ginger, and cloves, our salt, and our sugar, and our evaporated milk. And now we can add our pumpkin into our mix, just like this. So just go around there and there we go. Okay, now let's add our pumpkin mix into our pie crust. This is a graham cracker pie crust. So let's just add our pumpkin just like this. And we can move on to our next step. Now let's put our pie into our oven for 15 minutes. And then we are going to reduce the heat to 350 and cook for another 40 to 50 minutes. And I'll be back to show you the finished product.
A few moments later.
This is our finished product.